Khan. Of course, he doesn't need any introductions with many movies up his sleeves, including the most famous Mehuna, of course, and of course you're known for much more than that. And now you're a film producer as well, and this is your first time in Nagaland. How has it been so far?
I am absolutely gobsmacked to be out here, quite honestly. It is such a stunning, beautiful place. Not just the environment, it's the people, the culture. I didn't know so much about Nagaland, and today was a day where I saw tribes from different parts of Nagaland
Yes.
come together and celebrate their differences.
Right.
And it's such a nice thing to see, culture, music, handicraft, and contemporary, things happening all in one festival, which makes it very exciting. So I'm very, very happy to be here.
You were saying you did not know much. Did you do a little read up about Nagaland before coming here? I mean, what struck you most, if you did?
So I have to say that I'm a guest of Mr. Tenjin Along, who's a very good friend of mine.
Okay.
And he was instrumental in bringing me out here. And I'm only too happy, and I can't thank him enough. But he was mentioning a very interesting thing about what the hornbill bird stands for, and how it sort of glues all the tribes together because of the nature of the bird and how the bird lives its life, which I found fascinating and really amazing. And I believe that every tribe, no matter how different they are, the hornbill feather is the one that glues them all.
Right.
So is my research all right?
Oh, that's perfect actually.
Yeah,
Thank you so
okay.
much for actually taking the trouble to learn more about Nagaland. Also, how did you find the cuisine till now? I mean, the food that you've eaten. Have you eaten anything out of your, daily
Comfort
life
zone?
comfort zone and out of
And
the
honestly,
ordinary?
the food is just fantastic. It's like things that we would eat back home also. But of course, it's got the local spices, and it's a lot like flavorful.
Right.
And of course, when you eat it in the murongs, the feeling of the tradition, and then the flavor kicks in a little bit harder. So I'm very blessed to be here.
Alright. Now, going back, I mean, when are you leaving, and what do you want to take out of this experience? I mean, you have another few hours for the last day of the Hornbill Festival. What do you want to take out of this experience?
Man, honestly, I'm still soaking it all in. I don't know what I'm going to take out, but I definitely know I'm coming back. I definitely know I'm going to shoot a couple of films out here.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
nice.
I'm gonna, because it's such a virgin territory to Bollywood, especially, and I think it's not being done enough justice to. So it'll be good to come back here with the crew and make some lovely Bollywood movies.
Nice, awesome. So this was Zaid Khan. He is, of course, here, former actor and now film producer. And now, like he said, he's definitely coming back. Make some more Bollywood movies here in the land of festivals. And also, all you aspiring actors, you better get in touch with him if you
Yeah.
want to act in movies over here. Thank you so much.